In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use a Stubhub promo code in 2024. If you want to save money on event tickets, using a promo code during checkout can be a great option. The process is pretty simple, but it helps to know where to look and what to expect before you buy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, head over to the Stubhub website or open the Stubhub app. Before you can apply a discount, you'll need to get a valid promo code. There are a few common ways to find one. You can sign up for Stubhub's email newsletter, since promotional offers are sometimes shared there. You can also check for promotions inside your Stubhub account, look for limited time offers directly on the Stubhub website, or receive special offers through eligible partners or event promotions. The key here is to make sure the code is current and valid, since some offers may expire or only apply to certain events. Once you have your promo code ready, sign in to your Stubhub account. This is important because some promotions may only appear for logged in users, and signing in also helps keep your purchase process smoother from start to finish. Next, search for the event you want to attend. Browse the available ticket options, choose the seats or ticket type that works best for you, and then continue by clicking Buy Now or Check Out. Take a moment here to double check the ticket details so you're moving forward with the right selection. When you reach the checkout page, look for the area labeled Promo Code, Discount Code, or Add a Code. This section is usually easy to find during the payment or order summary stage. Enter your valid Stubhub promo code carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes, and then click Apply. After that, verify that the discount has been applied to your order total. This step matters because you want to confirm the updated price appears before you pay. If the code is valid and your purchase qualifies, you should see the discount reflected in the total. If you don't, it may mean the code has expired, doesn't apply to that event, or has specific terms attached to it. Finally, complete your purchase. Enter or confirm your payment information, review all of your order details.